What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do the installation of this Homdox tent. As you can see right there, I'm going to unbox it, I'm going to set it up, show you guys all the features of this and how it operates, so stay tuned. So guys, as you can see on the box right here, we have 19 kilogram and also 20.5 kilogram MES 120 by 21.5 by 28 centimeter, as you can see right there. So I'm going to unbox it right now. You guys see inside. So on here we have, I think these are some of the covering. Inside. Also on here we have one more covering. And this right here, the tent itself. Just gonna pull it out from outside. Up right here. Get up right here. Also we have more of these side. So I'm just gonna extend out now. There's one more card inside right here. So these are more of the attachment that you can hook it to make it stable. So just gonna length it out. Basically guys, I'm stretching it out. Now once you put it on the top, you can see right here, there are some clips that you can basically stuck this on. Keep it sturdy, you can see, just like that, and you can basically tape it on here and it's stuck perfect. Also we have these on here as well, you can basically strap these on, make sure it basically tight, and you can just clip it on like this. More, okay, this money. So basically strapping on these on the top as well. Make sure these are on, so keep sturdy. So basically now I'm just gonna try to put up these foot. So I'm gonna clip it like this, release it, and then we extend the foot. So we are kick right here, and you can extend even further. So we have a different adjustment on here, so we can extend the foot. Alright, so as you guys can see right here, we have different adjustment on the foot. So we have one adjustment right here, this is the first one, this is the lower one. We also have one right here, and we also have one up here. This is the last section that we can go with it. Click to the third one. So what I basically install for this one is the second one right here. Make sure that even with our foot. So that's how it looks. Yes guys, so this is the Homdox 10-4. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to try and put on the sides on it to let you guys see basically how it look. Alright guys, so these are the side parts that we can put on. So let me put it right now. So I'm going to chop it around. This is what you see basically. So we have different sections you can basically put around. As you guys can see how it looks.
Ahora, zip. Show me zip.
Zip on it as well.
Hola.
Alright guys, so we have finished chop up one of the piece so far. As you can see right here, looking pretty neat. Give you, you know, just a great look in terms of keeping off breeze once you're out in the camping or something like that. So it's a great tent that you can use outdoor. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to put up your soft side on it, as you guys see basically how it's look. Alright guys, so basically I put up one of the sides so far, as you can see right here. So what I'm going to do right now is to put on the back piece right there where you see those windows, and it looking pretty neat so far. So it's very spacious, as you can see right here. So you can see guys, looking pretty neat so far. So I have this piece right here. I'm going to install now on the back right here to keep off some of the cold from coming inside the tent right here. So I'm going to show you guys how we basically done that. Alright guys, so basically we have finished fix up one more section of the tent right here, and you guys can basically see it coming out quite fine. As you can see, looking pretty neat. There's one more section now to put up, one of the side. As you can see right here, looking pretty neat all around. So it's actually big, have a lot of space. So what I'm going to do right now, install last section, let you guys see basically how it's look. Yes guys, as you can basically see, I have finished install right around the tent, the covering, which is looking pretty neat, as you can see right here. So we have our logo on it right there, looking pretty neat. As you can see inside, very spacious, very wide, looking pretty neat. So we have some windows right here, give you some light inside. And yeah, this is inside the tent, looking great. Very easy to set up once you strap up these perfectly. And on here we have another attachment. This is the wheel that can go on the carrying port, so basically you can carry this tent around very easy. So because it's heavy, you can attach this to your carrying case, which is pretty great. So these are some hooks. So because I'm installing this on a concrete surface, I'm not going to use the hook. You can use the hook to place this to make it firm on the ground. And also right here, if you don't want to use hooks, we have our card right here. You can tie it up, tie it to anything that we want. So we have some more of them right here. Also, you can look at the manual if you want to want further more instruction on how to install this tent right here, which is pretty great. So guys, as you can see right here, this wheel is installed on the carrying case. You can see, you can basically push this through right here. And I can click on these wheels like that, like that. So I can basically clip it with this right here. And that's it, guys. Now we have wheels and our carrying case right here, which is very easily to transport it around. It is great. You can see right there, install, and you can enter the thing from even this side as well, because there's a zip that is on here that we can basically pull to basically go inside. As you can see right there, looking pretty neat, sturdy, and yeah, I'm loving it, guys. I'm loving this tent right here. Very spacious and big. This is video of the tent. So it look inside. Basically I strap it up right there. You can see logo on right there. Looking pretty neat. As you can see from the inside, right, guys. Very spacious. And it's looking pretty neat and great. As you can see right there.